Hello everyone, my name is Mülder and today I want to talk about myself. I was born in the village Kızılkesik and graduated from high school named after Boranbay. When I was a child, I wanted to become a world famous artist, a dancer, TV reporter. But since I came to school, my dreams have changed. I wanted to follow my mother's footsteps and become a teacher. And when I was a student, I was interested in my English teachers and I was interested that they spoke in the English language. And so in 2018, I entered the University of Şekerem in Simi, and in 2021, I graduated from the Faculty of Philology with a degree in Foreign Language to Foreign Languages. In 2022, I began teaching at the Oxford Secondary School named after Karim Nurbayev. I participated in different school events, competitions. I'm not limited to teaching students at school. And nowadays, I work as an English teacher at secondary school named after Boranbay. I started my career as a teacher with the principle that I should instill in child knowledge, national values, and devoting my entire life, devoting my golden time and my knowledge and effort to my students. My main goal is not only to teach students, but also to increase their motivation to learn, to make the lesson interesting using different methods. Many of my students took part in different subject Olympiads and took prizes. My students are my success, my fruit, and they are stars for me. Also, the profession I chose looks very simple. It's one of the most valuable professions in history. I would say that choosing the profession of teacher is a great fit, because the person who chooses the profession of a teacher must understand that he has a great responsibility. As a young teacher, I developed my teaching experience by participating in different competitions, courses, in order to improve myself. I don't regret that I came into this profession. I believe that in the future I will conquer great heights and show myself along the path as a master teacher.
Үздік Ағылшын is our favorite teacher. She is very kind, friendly and smart. We like that the teacher teaches the lesson clearly and understandably to the child. The lesson is conducted through different games, exercises and various methods. The process of checking homework is also interesting. The English lesson is very interesting and we are looking forward to the next lesson. We wish our teacher good luck in this competition.
Is a teacher with a friendly character and dedicated to her work. You are glad that you have such knowledgeable teacher. We wish our teacher creative success, good health, and let the students always achieve success and reach great heights.
Үздік Ағылшын is a very creative and intelligent person. She has good authority among students and colleagues. She loves children, knows their psychology and age characteristics. She teaches lessons patiently, pays a lot of attention to the development to students' speech. I think that all the teacher will be as Mülder.
What I can say about Mülder Ashatna? I suppose I should begin by highlighting the fact that she is so friendly, hardworking and responsible person. I never have to worry about anything when we work together. Also, I want to mention the fact that she's so funny and she makes our job easy. Also, we're proud of Muldrashatna as a good teacher.